The next thing we want to do is take an inventory of your kit. So at this time, you can go ahead and open up your rocket kit, take the masking tape and leave it off to the side. Go ahead and dump out all of your materials, and what we're going to do is identify the different parts of your rocket kit. Okay, so the first thing we have is the body tube. Okay, we can go ahead and place that off to the side. Okay, the next thing, okay, we have a little straw. Okay, this is called your launch lug. You can go ahead and place that off to the side. We have 2 cardboard O-rings. Again, these are 2 cardboard O-rings. Okay, we can go ahead and place those off to the side. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tape rings. These are going to be for your parachute. Leave those off to the side. Okay, the next thing we have is a metal bar. Okay, this is going to come into play when we are working with our engine mount. Okay, put that off to the side. We have a small cardboard tube. This is also going to be for our engine mount. Place that off to the side. We have the yellow nose cone. Go ahead and place that off to the side. The tiniest little piece in your kit, okay, is this little screw. Okay, it looks just like this. Okay, this is called a screw eye. Okay, this is the most common piece to be lost. Okay, so please make sure that you're trying to keep track of this tiny little piece because we don't want you to be penalized any points for losing it. Okay, we have a colored piece of tissue paper. Now, everyone has a different colored piece of tissue paper. Okay, it does not matter what color you have. You do not have to exchange with students. You will actually not see this when you are launching your rocket. Okay, we will talk about this at a later time. Okay, the next thing is we have a fin pattern and shock cord anchor. Again, we have a fin pattern and shock cord anchor. These are simply just patterns printed on a piece of paper. Place that off to the side. We actually have 2 pieces of string. Okay, you should have one that is wound up. Okay, and then we have another piece that is stretchy. Okay, the stretchy one, okay, this is going to be for your shock cord. Okay, so make sure you have one that is stretchy. Place that off to the side, and then one that is neatly bundled up. Okay, this is going to be your parachute string, and you can take this, leave it off to the side. Okay, the last thing, if you take your parachute, okay, and unwind it, okay, we have our plastic parachute. Place this off to the side, and then there's a piece of white cardboard. This is actually what we're going to make our fins out of. Place this off to the side. The last thing are the instructions, and we can actually just take this, crumple it up, and we can also throw that away into our bin at the workstation. Again, please make sure that you have all of your pieces. If you are missing anything, please let Mrs. Domer know so she can replace them initially. You will not be penalized. If you misplace any pieces after this point, you will be penalized.